The 2013 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, tow hitch, backup camera, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.